Hey Google, how many ounces in a cup?
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Hey Google, when's my next meeting?
Meet the Google Assistant, your all-in-one DJ, organizer, sous chef, navigator, researcher, remote control, and how did I function without it, personal Google, that you control with just your voice. On your Google Assistant-enabled speakers, just start with Hey Google or OK Google to make Google do it while you get ready in the morning. Control over 2,000 smart home devices. Quickly get answers and get things done. And with the Google Assistant on your phone, on Wear OS by Google, and on Android Auto in your car, you can get traffic and travel information and listen to your favorite music and podcasts on the go. And when the family is hanging out for the evening, the Google Assistant lets you control the fun. Watch shows, movies, and YouTube videos from your favorite streaming services with Android TV or while connected to your Chromecast. Play games, get answers, hear jokes, and have a blast.
Hey Google, play my dance party playlist.
The Google Assistant is always there to help you with virtually anything.